So this is the problem we can get. So here there are 4 questions. First question, draw the network and identify the critical path. So we finish this questions from the problem. From doing this calculation, we found the critical path and the duration. Okay. Now the second question, prepare the activity schedule for the project. So prepare the activity schedule. So these are the activity schedules. Okay. Now third one, find the probability that this is the activity schedule. Find the probability that the project is completed in 36 weeks. So this is question number 3. So for question number 3, find the probability that the project is completed in 36 weeks. To finish this project in 36 weeks. What is the original project duration? 37 weeks. Okay. Original duration. Original project duration is 37 weeks. So for finding the probability value, we have to find the variance first. So this is called variance. So here to find the variance, the formula is b minus a by 6 whole square. So what is b? This is your b. What is a? This is your a by 6 whole square. So b equal to 16 minus 4 by 6 whole square. And second one, 15 minus 1 by 6 whole square. And third one, 13 minus 6 by 6 whole square. Okay. So this is the formula. The values substituted in your formula, b minus a by 6 whole square. So 16 minus 4 by 6 whole square equal to maybe 4. And second one, 5.43. And third one, 30 minus 6 by 6 whole square equal to 16. And 1, 4, 16, 1. Okay, 4, 5 point something, 16, 1, 4. Here also 4, 16, 1, 16. So these are the variance values. Okay. Now come to your critical path. What is a critical path? 1 to 4, 6, 8. 1 to 2. So we have to circle the selected critical path. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 8. First you select only the critical path. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 8. Okay. Now first you pick all the critical path values, variance of the critical path. So here 4, 2 to 4, 16, and 4 to 6, 4 to 6, 4, and 6 to 8 is 1. Okay. Now, so before completing this 36 weeks, we have to find the probability value. How to find the probability value? For finding the probability value of before 36 weeks, step procedure. Step number 1, you have to find the z value. How to find z value? X minus mu by sigma. This is the formula of what to find the z value. So to find the probability value, we have two different steps. Step number 1, find the z value. step number 2, to find the probability value by using table value. Okay, we see later. Now find the z value. How to find z? Z equal to x. X is nothing but given in the formula, given in the problem. So x is nothing but 36. 36 is given in your problem. So x is nothing but 36. Now minus mu is nothing but original duration, that is mu. So 37 by sigma is nothing but standard deviation. So how to find sigma? So how to find sigma means you just pick all the variance, that is critical path variance, only the critical path. So 4, okay, first value 4 plus second value, first value 4, second value 16, only the critical values 16, 4, 16, 4, 1, 4. First you have to pick all the variance value, that is critical path values, and add all the values, that is 25. This is nothing but variance value, that is sigma square. We have to put the notation for variance is nothing but sigma square, but we need sigma, so take a root, we'll get sigma. So add all the variance, that is critical path values, only the critical path values, and take root, you will get a sigma. So here 5. So the value is 36 minus 37 by 5 equal to minus 0.2. So we have to pick the probability value from the z table. We can get 0.4207, and same way 14 weeks. So z equal to x value 40 minus mu equal to 37 by sigma equal to 5. So 3 by 5 is 0.6. So z equal to 0.6. So the probability value is for 0.6 equal to 0.7257. So here the chance to finish this project within 36 weeks equal to 42%, and to finish this project within 40 days equal to 72%. So how to get this value from the table? This is z, then this is your probability value. How to find the probability value using z from the table? So this is the table, it's called standard normal probabilities. So here our z is equal to minus 0.2. So here this table for a negative values and this table for a positive values. Okay, so here our value is minus 0.2. So minus means negative value. So here this is your z, okay, 0.2 minus 0.2. So here minus 0.2, our value is 4207. That is here no more 0. So our value is 4.07. Same way here our result equal to 0.6 plus 0.6. So we can take the probability value from positive value. So 0.6 is equal to 7257.7257. Thank you.